How long is the world's longest lightning cable? Let's find out.
Dave Taylor here again, and this time I'm with my able assistant Kiana, and we're looking at the Noyce 4-meter lightning cable. Now, 4 meters is how many feet?
13.
13 feet long. How long is 13 feet? Well, one way we can check is we can consider it versus an Izzy bottle. Now, bottles of soda, Izzy soda? We'll call it soda. Bottles of soda are 9 inches long. That means you could stack 17 of these on top of each other and it would still be shorter than this cable. That's a long cable. Not only that, but if you have a classic VW Bug, it's only a couple of inches longer than this cable, which is handy, I guess, if you want to keep your car plugged in while you're driving away for at least 13 feet. So it's really a super long cable, and one of the things that's really cool about it is that they extensively have, test all of this, and it's made with a lot of shielded components, so it gives you maximum speed and compatibility, which is pretty handy, which is also why it's a little puzzling why the company says we can't really guarantee it with iPads. Not sure what that's about, but we've tested it and it worked fine with iPads, so who knows? Certainly works great with an iPhone. And 13 feet's long enough, you can have it plugged into one end of your bedroom and have your device at the entirely other end. That's pretty nice. So, what else can I tell you about it? It has a beautiful Brazilian leather tie. I don't know why that's interesting, but the company thinks so, so we now told you about it. And shielded for maximum performance, already told you that. Oh, here's something cool, is that it's named after Robert Noyce, the co-inventor of the original integrated circuit, without Robert Noyce in the picture, we wouldn't even have computers, and we wouldn't have smartphones, and we wouldn't need lightning cables. And in fact, the lightning cable itself has little chips in it. So you probably didn't know that. There's actually little chips in lightning cables. Now, you can go buy yourself 17 bottles of Izzy, whatever, or you can buy this cable. So, where can you get it?
You can get it on Amazon.com for $19.90.
And while we're at it, have you clicked that subscribe button? Yeah, I know you want to. There you go. Thank you. Cool. So, this is Dave Taylor and able assistant Kiana, and we'll catch you in our next video.